Welcome to this video on advanced upper body power. This playbook is designed for bodybuilders who have mastered the basics and are ready for professional level protocols in weighted dips, pull downs, and overhead pressing. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Fitness Training Series.
In this video, we will explore the advanced hypertrophy roadmap. We'll cover key mechanisms of growth, essential technique cues, specific muscle variations, and progression schemes to ensure you continue making gains. Weighted dips, pull-down variations, and overhead pressing are more than just gym staples. At an advanced level, they are precision tools. We will show you how to apply systematic intensification to drive maximum hypertrophic output. Understanding the mechanisms behind these movements is crucial. To achieve maximal stimulus, every set must be executed to target mechanical tension, metabolic stress, and muscle damage within your training block. Let's start Chapter 1, Weighted Dips. This is an elite compound movement for targeting the lower chest and triceps, provided you focus on mechanical tension and deep stretch. Weighted dips drive superior hypertrophy by loading the lower chest, triceps, and anterior deltoids beyond typical bodyweight limits. Controlled load and tempo are essential for maximizing the stimulus. Elite execution of the weighted dip requires mastering the loaded descent, a deliberate stretch pause, an explosive concentric, and a peak contraction. Don't bounce out of the bottom. Maximize your time under tension. Targeting specific muscles with dips is all about body positioning. Lean forward for the lower chest, stay upright for triceps, use internal rotation for deltoids, or focus on bracing for core stabilizer overload. Avoid common pitfalls like ego lifting, which kills the eccentric phase. Ensure you reach full depth to capture the benefits of the stretch and maintain a consistent torso angle throughout your entire training block. To maintain progress, use a systematic approach. Utilize volume blocks to build a base, shift to heavy loading for intensification, incorporate rest pause techniques, and schedule regular deloads to allow for recovery. Moving to Chapter 2, Pull-down variations. This chapter focuses on using grip and angle manipulation to sculpt lat architecture and maximize back development. The lat pull-down is a precision instrument. By adjusting your resistance, grip, and angle, you can isolate the latissimus dorsi, teres major, rear deltoids, and biceps with surgical accuracy. For elite mechanics, always initiate with scapular depression. Keep your hands as passive hooks and drive your elbows toward your hips. Avoiding bicep dominance is key to effective lat training. Different grips provide different targets. Use wide overhand for V-taper, neutral grip for back thickness, underhand for lower lats and biceps, single arm for symmetry, and straight arm pull-downs for constant lat tension. Finally, avoid errors that cap your development. Stop neglecting the scapular initiation, don't sacrifice your overhead stretch, and never skip the peak contraction. Consistent execution is what creates elite results. Now for the pull-down progression. You can utilize an accumulation phase for volume, an intensification phase for mechanical load and slow eccentrics, and finally a realization phase with drop sets and straight arm work for maximum metabolic stress. Moving to Chapter 3, the overhead press. This is your primary mass builder for thick, powerful deltoids. We will cover advanced loading and angle manipulation strategies for complete shoulder development. At the advanced level, the overhead press is more than just a strength move. It is a targeted hypertrophy tool. When you manipulate variables like grip, tempo, and range of motion, it becomes the most effective movement for shoulder mass. Maximize your stimulus with proper technique. Maintain a tight rack position. Focus on a controlled drive phase for joint alignment. Secure a full lockout without hyperextending, and prioritize a 4-second eccentric to maintain constant tension. Target every head of the deltoid using specific tools. Barbell presses offer heavy compound overload, dumbbells provide a greater range of motion for symmetry, and machine presses allow for constant tension and peak metabolic stress as a finisher. Avoid common mistakes that limit shoulder growth. Lumbar hyperextension, forward elbow drift, and neglecting the eccentric phase will all diminish your gains and increase injury risk. Prioritize structural integrity and strict form in every rep. For periodized loading, cycle between strength phases for mechanical overload and hypertrophy phases for metabolic stress. Try the 1.5 rep technique to double time under tension in the mid-range, where your shoulders are weakest. Advanced push-pull periodization is a true hypertrophy amplifier. Balancing your heavy pressing days with equal volume pull-down sessions ensures structural integrity, accelerates recovery between sets, and maximizes your total growth potential. This sample upper split combines your heavy push and pull days with dedicated hypertrophy sessions. Notice how intensity varies throughout the week, rotating between heavy compound sets and focused metabolic-driven variation. To train at an elite level, you must recover like a pro. Technique precision, push-pull parity, periodized overload, and prioritizing recovery are the 4 pillars of long-term success and structural longevity. By mastering weighted dips, advanced pull-downs, and periodized overhead pressing, you hold the complete toolkit for elite upper body mass. Systematically apply these protocols and trust your growth to follow.